Jaemi Hubo's Big Fix, the result of 50 days of repairs. On April 27, 2010, Jaemi Hubo fell off a stage at an event she was performing. On June 16, 2010, 50 days since her accident, the DASL crew was able to fix her. Jaemi Hubo is now back in action. Having completed Jaemi's repairs in only 50 days is a testimony to the abilities of Jaemi's caretakers and the positive effects of the NSF-PIRE grant, in which Jaemi Hubo is the primary focus. Jaemi and the DASL crew would like to thank everyone who has shown their concern for Jaemi's well-being through calls, emails, blog posts, Facebook wall posts, and supportive visits. Please feel free to congratulate Jaemi by posting on her wall on Facebook. Jaemi would also like to give special thanks to her caretakers, Daniel Lofaro, Robert Ellenberg, RJ Gross, as well as the rest of the DASL crew. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Daniel Lofaro at dml46@drexel.edu.